Accidentally enabled Do Not Disturb on your Android and want to disable it? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on Android. Now let's get started. To turn off Do Not Disturb on your Android smartphone, first swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control panel. You may need to swipe down to expand the menu to see all the control options. Then tap Do Not Disturb to turn this setting off. Do Not Disturb will then be disabled. That's all it takes to turn off Do Not Disturb on Android. Want more beginner-friendly Android tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.